Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can show ads on your Shopify site. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're not going to be going through the dashboard just yet. We're going to be going into Google AdSense. Once you're here, once you create your account and set everything up, you're going to want to go into the ads section, close this pop-up down, and then go by ad unit. Once you click that, go into display ads, and then you need to select your ad type or your ad size, format, and everything. Add a unit name. I'll just add a unit as a standard name. Then I'm going to make sure square is selected. You can select whatever you want, but I'll just use square. For ad size, you can use fixed or responsive. I'll select responsive. And then you're going to click on create. That's going to give you the HTML code for this, and let me just rename this since I already created one, and then just get the HTML code. You can click here to copy it, and then you're going to be adding it into your Shopify site. You're going to go into online store and then click customize next to your theme, and then you're going to go ahead and add the HTML to your page. You can do this through the content page. So let me just go ahead and click on customize, and once that's opened, you can then go ahead and click on theme settings. And here you should be able to find, pardon me, I've made a mistake. You're going to go back to your sections, and you're going to go ahead and add a section wherever you want. I'll just add it to my header, click on custom liquid, and then that's going to create your liquid sort of section. Here you can just add the liquid code by just pasting the HTML code from here, and then once you save everything, that is going to display the ads on your page, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.